recording video 2, Buckajo Road. As you can see down there, you cannot see a road. We are literally stuck. We're standing on top of a mountain on Buckajo Road, having a look down. As you can see, we've got the Bega River there. Just looks like one big massive, you can't describe it, just there's water everywhere going really fast. As you can see, there's a farmhouse or something up the top up there. Taking a look down this way. As you can see, there's Deb's car over there. That water's up to a ridiculous level. As you can see, there's tree branches and trees actually going down the river now as I speak.
Yeah, it's like really close.
As you can see, I'm going down for a closer look. Yeah, start heading back. I'll be back in a second. As you can see here, I'm going down closer. And that's where we've just come from. As you can see, there's another tree flushing down the river. As you can see, the fence line, it's way underwater. Gee, look at that tree. That's huge.